Hey everyone, let's jump right into a word that's going to seriously level up your vocabulary. I'm talking about the word meticulous.
So, you ready to really get this word? I promise by the time we're done, you'll feel super confident using it. All right, let's do this.
Okay, first things first. How do you actually say it? It's a bit of a mouthful, but it sounds really cool once you nail it.
Go ahead and say it with me. Ready? Meticulous. One more time. Meticulous. Kind of rolls off the tongue, right?
Let's break it down into its parts. You've got ma-tic-u-lous, meticulous, easy. Now that we sound like we know what we're talking about, let's actually know what we're talking about. All right, so we've got the pronunciation down, but what are we really saying when we use this word? Let's dive into the meaning. So here it is, the official breakdown. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail. We're not just talking careful here, we're talking super careful, super precise. The main takeaway here is that it's all about being careful and precise. You know, it's the total opposite of being sloppy or rushed. And get this, a little fun fact for you. The word actually comes from a Latin word that means fearful, so it's like you're so careful because you're almost afraid of messing up even the tiniest detail. Kind of cool, right? Definitions are great and all, but let's see how this word actually works out in the real world. That's when it really sticks. Just look at this. This is the perfect picture of meticulous work. It's not just neat, right? It's perfect. Every line is straight, the handwriting is clear. You can just tell that whoever did this was super focused and cared about getting every little thing just right. Or how about in a sentence, like this one? She painted the picture meticulously. When you hear that, you don't imagine someone just throwing paint around. No way. You picture an artist paying close attention to every single tiny brushstroke, making sure it's absolutely perfect. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to think for a second. What's one meticulous thing you did today? Seriously, did you organize your bookshelf perfectly? Or maybe you double, even triple checked an email before sending it. That counts. That's being meticulous. Making it personal is the best way to lock it in.
All right, let's do a super quick recap just to make sure this word sticks with you for good.
Okay, so let's lock it in. The word meticulous. The meaning, being super careful and precise. So instead of just saying, I arranged my books, you can say, I arranged my books meticulously. It just adds that extra punch, showing you went above and beyond. It's the difference between neat and perfect. And that's it. You've officially added meticulous to your word arsenal. Seriously, great job today. And hey, as you go about your day, remember that being meticulous isn't about being obsessed with perfection. It's really just about showing that you care about the details. So keep that practice meticulous, and I'll catch you on the next one.